children. Good morning. How are you? I wish you all are good. Is it? Everyone finished your breakfast? Hope everyone is finished. And I'm here today in mathematics class. Is it? What are the topics we discussed in the last class? Yes, we discussed about the 4-digit numbers and how to write the numbers name, and also we discussed the place value and face value of a given digits, and also expanded form and a short form. Is it? In this class now we are going to discuss about the comparison of numbers. What? Comparison of numbers. In the we discuss different numbers of digits and also same number of digits. Next topic is before, after, between numbers. In the we have to discuss consecutive numbers, predecessor numbers, and also the successor numbers. And also another topic we have to discuss it today, that is ordering of numbers. In the we have to discuss how to write in ascending order and also in a descending order. Is it clear? What are the topics we are going to learn today? Comparison of numbers, before, after, between numbers, and also the ordering of numbers. Is it clear? First, we discuss about the comparison of numbers. First, we discuss about the comparison of numbers. Look here. How to compare a numbers by seeing the digits? There is a different number of a digit. Is it? If the number is greater, we have to identify that is a greater number. Is it? We have to identify that is a greater. The number that contain a large numbers, or else the digits that contain a large numbers, we call it as that number is a greater number, or a number that compared to another number this is larger. We call it as a different number of digits. We call it as what? Different number of digits. The number with more digits. The number with more digits. The number with more digits we call it as greater number. We are comparing the number with more digits or is always greater. The number with more digits is always greater. While comparing different number of digits, the number with more digits is always a greater. Look here, for example, here is 9,463 and here is 463. Which is the greater number? How you are comparing? You are comparing this number is more digits compared to this. So you have to put a greater symbol here. Is it clear? Is it? Because 9,463 is more greater than the 463. Clear? Means the number with more digit is always a greater. The number with more digit is always a greater here. Next, another one is there. Same number of digits. If the numbers are same, how you are comparing? When the number of digits, are same, you compare with the, or you start comparing with the leftmost side. Start comparing with the leftmost side. Leftmost side of the given number. This is 0. Leftmost side of the given number. While the same number of digits. When the number of digits are same, you start comparing with the leftmost side of the digit. That means the digit comes from the thousands place. Look here, I will show an example. 4283 and also 4354. How you are comparing? Because here is the same number in the thousands place. Is it? Therefore, start comparing with the leftmost side of a given number. That means from thousand place. Is it? Thousands place where you have to compare. Look here, in a thousands place is 4 and also here is 4. Here is same. Then you have to compare with the 100 place. Is it? You have to compare the numbers in the 100 place here. What is the number in the 100 place? 2. Here is 3. So, which is the greater number? S. This one is a greater number. 4354. Is it clear? How to compare the different number of digits and also the same number of digits. I will show some more examples. Look here. Look at carefully, children. How to compare the different number of digits and also the same number of digits. Examples I will give. You have to explain or you have to tell the answer. Okay? Look. 3463, 328. There is one example, and another one example is 3524, 3623. One more example we have 4684, 4653. Look how you are telling which number is greater. Look here, 3463. Is it? 3463 and 328. Here is a thousands place. Here there is no thousand place. So which is greater? Here, because it is a different number of digits. Is it? Different number of digits. And these two examples for the same number of digits. Look, 3524, 3623. Is it? We have to compare from the leftmost side. Is it? And that means thousands place. Here in the thousands place, here 3. Here also 3. But in a 100 place, here is 5. Here is 6. So which is greater? S. 3623 is more greater. Is it? Next, another one example. Look, 4684. Is it? 4653. In this, which is more greater? Look, here in the thousands place, here also 4, here also 4. And in the 100 place, here is 6, here also 6. What we have to do now? Thousands place also same, 100 place also same. What we do now? As we have to compare the number with tens place. Is it? In the tens place, here is 8 and here is 5. So which is greater now? S. Good. 4684 is greater than the 4653. Is it clear? Understand? Next, we move to the before, after and the between numbers. Before, after and the between numbers. This is about before, after and between numbers. Before, after and between numbers. In that we have to discuss what is consecutive numbers. Anyone? Anyone? Yes, don't worry. Look, the numbers which follow one after the other. The numbers which follow one after the others. That Those numbers we call it as consecutive numbers. What it is? Consecutive numbers. The numbers which follow one after the other. Is the numbers which follow one after the other. One after the other are called which numbers? As consecutive. Which numbers? Consecutive numbers. Which numbers? Consecutive numbers. Clear? The numbers which follow one after the other are called consecutive numbers. Clear? Next. What is before number and what is after number? A number one less than a given number comes just before. A number one less than a given number just before a number. A number what? Repeat with me. A number one less than a given number comes just before. A number. Look. A number is one less than a given number. One less than a given number just comes before the number. Just comes before the number or called what? Predecessor or predecessor. This means that before number we also call it as predecessor numbers, because a number is one less than a given number just comes before the number. Just comes before the number are called predecessor. Look here, I will show an example. 3623. One less than. That means what? 3622. Is it? That is a predecessor number. Is it? Clear? Next is a successor. Successor is a number is one greater than a given number. A number is one greater than a given number just comes after the number. Just comes after the number are called successor. Are called successor. Here look, here one is less than a given number, and in successor one is greater than a given number just comes after the number. Just comes after the number are called successor. Here look, we have to add a one number. We get is successor. 3624. What it is? Successor. What it is? Successor. Because we had a one number and get a after number. Is it? Any doubts? Clear? What is consecutive? And the series is going on. The number that follow one after the another digit we call it as consecutive numbers. The number is one less than a given number. Just before the number we call it as predecessor numbers. And a number that is one greater than a given number, and also that comes after the number we call it as successor. Is it clear? Any doubts? Artha? Next, we move now to discuss ordering of numbers. In that, we have to discuss the ascending order and descending order. What is ordering of number? We can arrange numbers in a sequence, or from smaller to a bigger, or from bigger to a smaller. We call it as ordering of numbers. We can arrange numbers from in a sequence. We can arrange numbers in a sequence from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. We call it as ordering of numbers and writing numbers in order from smaller to a bigger. In order from smaller to a bigger, we call it as what? Ascending order. And the same way, the numbers in order from bigger to smaller. Writing the numbers in order from bigger to smaller is called descending order. Is it clear? And I will show one sequence. You have to tell both ascending and descending order. Okay? Look. What is ascending order? Just I explained it. Say, tell what is ascending order? The numbers writing in order from smallest to bigger, or the numbers that arrange from smaller number to a bigger number is called ascending order. Writing the numbers in order from bigger to smaller. Smaller to bigger is ascending, vice versa. Bigger to smaller is a descending order. Is it? I will show one example. Look. 4,628, 4,832, 4,763, 4,524. You have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order and also a descending order. I will write shortly. A means what? Ascending order. Ascending order means what? Writing the numbers in order from smaller to a bigger. Compare which is the most smaller digit. Here all are same in thousands place. Is it? Now you have to compare to the hundred place. Here is 6, 8, 7 and here is 5. Which is the smaller? S. 4,524. 4,524. Is it clear? Okay. Next, the one step smaller number, one step bigger number is 4,628. Next, 4,763. Next, 4,832. Clear? From smaller number to a bigger number. For this, we have to write descending order also. What is descending order? Writing the numbers in order from bigger to a smaller. So, we have to write which is the biggest? S. 4,832. Next, 4,763. Good. Next, 4,628. Next, 4,628. Next, 4,524. Is it clear? Understand? Any doubts? Okay. What are the topics we discussed? First, comparison of numbers. Next, before, after and between numbers. And next point, ordering of numbers. Okay. Now, we move to the textbook for exercise 1.3. Exercise. Look children, here is your exercise 1.3. Is it? First we put a correct sign which is a greater number. Look, 237, 1201. Which is greater? S. 1201. Is it clear? Next, another one more example I will show. Look, 3645 and here is 98. Which is greater? 3645. Is it clear? And some more examples is given in your textbook. You should only complete it. Okay? By yourself, you should complete in a textbook. Next, secondly, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Writing the numbers from smaller to a bigger. Writing the numbers from smaller to a bigger. Come on, write with me. Which is the smallest number? S. Here here is 4. So you should write this one first. So 3285. 3285. Is it clear? Next, you have to write 3469. Is it clear? 3469. Next, your 4061. 4061. Understand? Next, another one example. This is get confusing, but don't get confused. Just observe the ones, tens, hundred and thousands places. Okay? Which is the most smallest number? 999. 999. Is it clear? Next smallest number is here. 9909. Is it? 9909. This is the smallest number. Wrong. Look here. Compare this thousands place. Here is 9. Here is 9. But in a hundred place, here is 0. But here is 9. So which is the smallest? 9099. Which is the smallest? 9099. Clear? Next number is 9909. Clear? And the next is 9909. Understand? Any doubts? Don't get confused. Just see the place values. Okay? Look, here is told me arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means what? S. Writing the numbers from bigger to a smaller. Look here. Which is the most biggest number? Here. 8291. Next number is 8192. Is it? 8192. Next, 8129. Next, 8091. 8091. Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay, next. One more example. Look here. You have to arrange from bigger to a smaller. Look, which is the biggest number? 1321. Is it? Next, 1312. Next, 1230. Next, 1123. Here, don't get confused. Just observe the place values and write the numbers. Next, here is the fourth mean. Write the numbers that comes between the numbers. Here they given before and after numbers. You have to write the between numbers. Look, 698. Next number was what? 699. Is it clear? Then 700. Here also one more example. 4039. Next is 4040. Next is 4040. And the next number is 4041. Is it clear? From 1 to 4 when you will do it, and more examples in your textbook. You have to complete the exercise 1.3. Okay. Another 2 minutes is there. Just observe. 15 more is there. 15. Write the successor and the predecessor. Write the successor and the predecessor. It means what? Write the successor and predecessor. And the predecessor of a number. Like the successor and the predecessor of a number. Here is one example. Look here carefully. They given the number 889. 889, and another one example also show 2341. You have to write the successor and the predecessor numbers. Predecessor means what? Is less than 1, just comes before the number. Is it? Before number or less than 1. 889 minus 1. What we get? 888. Is it clear? Then successor is what? Adding 1. So how to add 889 1? We get 890. Is it clear? Any doubts? Everyone will know how to write the successor and the predecessor numbers. Look, here is 2341 minus 1 means 2340. Next plus 1 means 2342. Is it clear? Okay, next the sixth meaning. What is sixth meaning? Look, choose and write the largest number. Choose and write the largest numbers. Choose and write the largest numbers. Look, I will show an example. 3124. Next, 2689. Next, 708. Next, 4925. Which is the largest number? In these numbers, which is the largest number? Here in a thousands place, 3. Here is 2. Here there is no thousands place. Here in a thousands place is what? 4. So which is the largest number? S. 4925. Which is the largest number? 4925. Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay, you should complete the exercise 1.3 in your textbook only. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.